Hello, ma'am. So, my first question to Chitra ma'am is our PGDM Pharma Management has been a pioneering program at SIS. So, how do you think this legacy would help a student to get into this industry?
Thank you for the question. Definitely, we are the pioneer as we started pharma management in 1997 and biotech management in 2004. So we are having various alumni passed from this college, and they are working in the pharma and biotech company in India as well as in abroad. So, and these alumni as well as the industry expertise are teaching our students with the skill based learning, as well as the students are gaining knowledge in operations and marketing, and they are doing very well in the various healthcare industry.
So, my next question to Swati ma'am is what kind of roles do pharma and biotech students would typically get into after completion of the program?
The typical roles which the PGDM Pharma Management and PGDM Biotech Management students go in for is project management trainee, then brand managers, product managers, and specifically, so nowadays consultancy is also where the students are going into. So they are finding roles in various consultancy companies and even medical device companies, not to forget, where the students, especially from biotech background, are also getting those roles. So this is where the students have been working in these different roles. And apart from these, because of the subject basket that we offer at in our curriculum, which includes 80% of management subjects and 20% of the technical subjects, because students are already coming from a scientific background. So very important, because biotech is a part of pharma only. So the roles are being offered equally to both pharma background students as well as to the biotech background students. So the curriculum in totality talks about more of management skills which the students learn.
My last question to Chitra ma'am again. For students who apply to pharma management first, why is it a good idea to consider biotech management?
It's a good question, in fact, because we are teaching management. We are not teaching as only the technical one. And the students, after finishing this biotech management, they are going and getting the job in the healthcare industry as a manager in marketing or in operations. So we are ensuring that the students are getting all the skill based learning. Say for example, we are conducting various live projects. We are as well as we are having market based projects. We are sending the students to understand better. So along with the theoretical knowledge, they are learning the practical aspects also to understand better about the industry. So it is here we cannot talk about pharma or biotech. We are talking about the management, where they are working in the healthcare industry to make it sure that our pharma and biotech industry are growing well.